Hi, we're here in Corner Bakery Cafe as we are having a quick bite of this corner tonkatsu with matching sweet potato latte as we're going to unbox this aluminum mini tripod. Okay, so here it is, the mini aluminum tripod. So it's just a simple white box. So let's proceed with the unpacking or unboxing of this item. Okay, so we have this tripod, and let's see what's... Oh, so we have this screw wrench or wrench, and here it is, the mini aluminum tripod. So we use the wrench in order to tighten this screw, if in case that the legs of the tripod is not that firm or sturdy. So if you remember, or on our previous video, we have featured a tripod which doesn't fit on this carrying mini case from PGYTech. So with this new tripod that we have, it now fits on this case. So if you want to compare with our previous tripod, here it is. It's much smaller. This one is about 4 inches or 11.5 if I'm not mistaken in length, and that's it. If you are interested with this tripod, you can check the link on the description of this video. Alright, that's all. Thank you.